Hey everybody, Roz here from New Old Finds. I just wanted to do a quick video and show you all how the transfers actually work. As you can see, I've already done the top part here. This is a transfer that comes in 2 pieces. Most of these do. The Maisie and Willows are a little bit smaller than the regular Redesign with Prima ones, but these ones are, they're really easy to use and easy to handle. So I'm going to apply the bottom piece now to this design. And this one is called, hang on, let me grab the tube quickly, sorry. This one is the Vintage Belle. It is 16.5 by 20.5 inches. And it comes in 2 sheets. So it's really easy to use, and this is a really pretty one. Okay, so I'm going to apply my my second piece here. So I've already got the top on there. And this is super easy to do, and just go really slowly when you're gonna do it, okay? So you just wanna take the backing off. This is the white sheet, so you want your clear sheet. All right, and just go really slow because you don't want any of your design sticking to your white sheet. Alrighty, there we go. Okay, and then I'm just going to line up. Now you can use you can use tape to line up, or you can just eyeball it like I do. But I would suggest tape if you've not done these often, but I do these a lot, so I'm very comfortable doing it this way. Luckily I didn't stick it down too far. I can make it straight. For some reason I was off a little bit there. Go. Perfect. All right, and then you're just going to carefully rub over the entire transfer to make sure that it's all adhered. And then you're going to take your tool that comes, sorry, that comes with the packaging, and you're just going to take it and rub it across the whole thing, just to make sure that everything is adhered and you're removing any air bubbles. You don't want any air bubbles, and this ensures that you get rid of them. All right, you can also use the tool or a credit card, or something like that that's flat, but the tool comes with it, so it's just easier to use. And if you hear crackling and crinkling, that usually means that you're getting all the air bubbles out. All right, and then when you get to the edge here, you can see I'm running along the edge here because there's a lip on this door here. So when you get to here, then you can just use your fingers and do this little piece here, then flop that over, and then quickly rub that one on, and you'll see the plastic sheeting turn clear or gray, and that means that it's applied. So it already applied there. And then we just want to get our little side piece here attached. Okay, and then you'll see you can start to pull it away and it's attached. All right, and then you just start using your tool. I'm in an awkward position, but you need to use your tool like this, right? So you want your finger all the way down to the end so that you have complete control. And then just go with whatever, you know, way that you painted your grain of your painting. It will adhere a lot better if you go with it. Or the grain of the wood if there's a lot of wood grain showing through. Or if you're just doing it on wood, then you've got to go with the grain. And you just need to go over it quickly, and you'll notice the different colors, or the different, you know, it'll turn a different color, like a clear or a gray, when you know that it's adhering. All right, and just go over that real quick. You don't need to spend a lot of time on this because you can do it as you're peeling it off. All right, let's do our edge over here too quickly so that that's out of the way. All right, so again, pinch so that it's on there. And then get your side piece there. And poof, it's done. All right, get your side on the inside there. All right, good. Okay, now we're gonna start back over here and just start peeling back. And as we peel back, if we see that there's something that isn't adhered, then we just go over it again. And you wanna look for that gray. So then you just go up and down, up and down. Get to the letters, you want to do your corners on the letter so that it comes off cleanly. Or any design part, like here, you can see. Oh, let me move down a bit. Yeah, you see down here, here, and here, like these corners. If you get those corners specifically, then you know that your design is going to come up easily. See? Continue on, same thing with the letters. You want to get your corner bits on the letters. See, I missed a little piece there, so easily put it back on. And I like to go back and forth, back and forth. Instead of ripping this way. So this way I know I can see what's getting adhered and what's not a lot easier, and I can go back and fix it. Again with our little edges over there. Okay. And then when you come to the end here, you just do a quick little thing, and then you start going the opposite way. That way you know you're not going to tear anything off. And done. See, that was pretty easy, wasn't it? Didn't take a lot of time. And then you just want to take your fingers and push onto the design to make sure that everything is adhered correctly. All right. And then you can also, if you like, take a clean cloth and go over the entire design just to make sure that everything is on and adhered well. Okay, so that is it. And that is the beautiful transfer from Maisie and Willow, the vintage bell. How pretty is that? That's going to be great. And I will show you the completed design later on today. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.